अशोकराव माने, इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ फार्मास्युटिकल सायन्स अँड रिसर्च, सावे, तालुका श्रावणी, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोल्हापूर. टॉपिक: डिसइन्फेक्शन. प्रेझेंटेड बाय प्रतीक्षा माळी. गायडेड बाय मिस्टर आझाद ढगे सर. Disinfection. Disinfection is the process of destruction or removal of microorganisms and reducing them to a level not harmful to health. Generally kills vegetative cells but not heat-resistant endospore. If the object is inanimate, example working areas, dishes, benches, etc., the chemical agent is known as disinfectant. Factors affecting of disinfection: first, concentration of disinfection; second, temperature; third, time of exposure; fourth, pH of environment; fifth, surface tension; sixth, formulation of disinfectant; seventh, chemical structure of disinfectant; eighth, type of number of microorganisms present; ninth, interfering substance in environment; 10th, potentiation, synergism, antagonism. First, concentration of disinfectant. The lethal effect of bacterial population is increased by increasing the concentration of disinfectant. There is optimum concentration of phenol at about 1%. Beyond this concentration, the disinfecting effectiveness becomes less. The dilution coefficient can be calculated from the equation N is equal to log T2 minus log T1 divided by log C2 minus log C1, where N is equal to concentration exponent of dilution coefficient for disinfection. T1 is equal to the dead time with disinfectant concentration C1. T2 is equal to the dead time with disinfectant concentration. Second, temperature. The lethal effect of bacterial population can be increased by increasing the temperature. The effect of temperature on bactericidal activity may be expressed quantitatively by means of a temperature coefficient. The temperature coefficient per degree rise in temperature is denoted by theta, whereas per 10 degrees Celsius rise in temperature is expressed by theta raised to 10 or Q10 values. Thus, theta raised to 10 or Q10 is equal to time required to kill at 7 degrees Celsius divided by time required to kill at T plus 100 Celsius. The value for Q10 for phenol is 4, which means that over the 10 degrees Celsius range used to determine the Q10, the activity will be increased by factor 4. Third, time of contact. Sufficient time of contact must be allowed from the disinfectant to exert its action. Fourth, pH of environment. A change of pH during the disinfection process can affect the rate of growth inoculum. A pH of 6 to 8 optimal for the growth of many bacteria, and the rate of growth decline on either side of the range. Phenolic and acidic antimicrobial agents usually have greatest activity in acidic condition. Acridine dyes and quaternary ammonium compounds are usually more active in alkaline than in acidic solution. Amphoteric antimicrobial have optimum activities at widely different pH value. Fifth, chemical structure of disinfectant. Chemical structure of compound affect the disinfectant activity. Substitution of an alkyl chain up to 6 carbons in length in para position to phenolic OH group increases activity, but greater than the 6 carbons in length decreases water solubility and disinfectant activity. Generally, halogenation increases the antibacterial activity of phenol, but nitration increases antibacterial activity and systematic toxicity also. 6. Formulation of disinfectant. Formulation may be important of the effective use of disinfectant. Example, chlorhexidine shows 70% more effectiveness in alcohol than aqueous solution. 7th, type and number of microorganisms present. The efficiency of disinfection greatly depends on the nature and the number of contaminating microorganisms, and especially on the presence and absence of bacterial spores. It can be seen that most vegetative bacteria are rapidly killed by most chemical disinfectant. Bacterial spores are difficult to destroy, but some disinfectant, example, aldehyde, are sporicidal. 8. Interfering substance in the environment. Materials such as blood, body fluid, pus, milk, food residue, or colloidal proteins may be residue the effectiveness of disinfectant if present in the small amount. The presence of oil and fats markedly residue the disinfecting ability of phenols. 9th, potentiation, synergism, and antagonism of disinfectant. Potentiation of disinfectant leads to enhanced antimicrobial activity. Synergetic effects are the obtained shown by two antimicrobial agents, which is giving an increased activity. Antagonism effects are obtained shown by two antimicrobial agents, which is giving and decreased activity. Thank you.